Visiting the Anganwadi centers under Dadenggre ICDS, one finds various activities like growth, monitoring, learning tools, kitchen garden and fishery pond for Anganwadi beneficiaries. Happy to see that after the training for nutritious recipes like pakora and pancake are being adopted by Anganwadi workers. These recipes introduced added taste as well as nutrition in diets for mothers and children. As part of Poshan Ma SDO Civil Office will also be adopting Rondupara Anganwadi. The response of villagers towards the initiative was also very encouraging, and we will strive to make the Anganwadi the best example of public service.